Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are reviewing the FLOTTIJ desk lamp from IKEA, a versatile and stylish lighting solution designed to enhance your workspace or reading nook. Its key feature includes directed lighting by providing focused illumination, ideal for reading or detailed tasks. Its adjustable design easily direct the light where you need to, angle the lamp head to downwards for reading or upward to highlight a favorite artwork or wall area. It has a compact and lightweight design. Its slim profile makes it perfect for small spaces such as nightstands and allows for easy relocation whenever needed. It's available in two colors, beige and dark blue. It has a durable construction crafted with a steel back panel and plate, and it's easy to maintain. Just you need to simply wipe clean with a dry cloth. IKEA recommends the LED bulb GU10 for this desk lamp. When it comes to the price, it costs around 599 in INR and 7.19 in USD. In summary, this desk lamp combines functionality with sleek design, making it a valuable addition to any compact spaces. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out any review from this channel. See you next time. Thank you.